How much will one Ethereum be worth in 2025? I will answer this question and share my Ethereum price prediction for 2025 with long and short-term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Ethereum to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Ethereum is on place 2 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $280 billion. After we built the all-time high in 2021 at $4,800, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. We came all the way down and saw this low at $880, and after that we saw slightly higher prices. And right now Ethereum is in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and higher highs. And if we can continue this bullish move to the upside, the first really interesting price target is this high right here, because this high was the start of this massive crash to lower levels we made in big lower low, and often over important highs there's much liquidity. So the chance that we are reaching this high and then see a larger pullback is there, because also many people are taking profits right here. But if we are then finding acceptance again over this high, then of course the next really interesting price target is the all-time high. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 110%. And I think there's already a great potential for a big coin like Ethereum, but I'm very bullish on Ethereum because it's a great project with very nice fundamentals. And to calculate some potential price targets, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, and then we are getting this potential price targets. If we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $7,300, and I think this is a very realistic target for the next bull run. If we have a look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $11,300, and if we even have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of over $15,000. Of course guys, these are just orientations with the Fibonacci tool, but I will tell you why I'm very bullish on Ethereum and what prices I think are very realistic for the next bull run. First of all, Ethereum is a very important coin in the crypto space. Many coins and projects are working on the Ethereum chain, so it's heavily used in the crypto space, and I think the chances high that Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin on the percentage wise in the bull run. For this it's important to look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and as you can see in 2017 and in 2021 when the bull runs were, the prices of Ethereum against Bitcoin are rising to the top, and right now we are consolidating since a long time. And I think the chances high that we could see higher prices for this chart, and if we are seeing a bullish move like this in the bull run, Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. So I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for the next bull run. Prices between $7,000 and $11,000 are very realistic for the next bull run in my opinion, because if we want to see this kind of price targets, much money has to flow into the crypto space. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum on the total crypto market cap, then the chance is extremely high that we are reaching this all-time high from the total crypto market cap. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we also explode over the last all-time high is there. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance is high that much money comes into the market, and the chances high that Ethereum is also getting an ETF in this year. And if the SEC accept the Ethereum ETF, then I think the chances high that much money comes from big institutions into the crypto market. It's always difficult to predict exact prices for Ethereum or Bitcoin, because it really depends how the price is going and how much money comes into the crypto market. But as I said, I think this kind of prices are very realistic, especially if the Ethereum ETF is also got approved. So guys, I think the chances high that we could see much higher prices than the all-time high, and I expect larger pullbacks after reaching this kind of highs, because as I said, many retailers and big institutions are taking profits over the last all-time high, so this could be a potential move in the bull run. So we look for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Ethereum, and I think these prices are already a great chance to buy some Ethereum for the long term, because we have this demand zone right here, and this demand zone caused the push to this highs right here we made in higher high. So the chance that we now see a bullish continuation to the upside is very high. So I think this could be a potential nice entry zone. But if we see lower prices again, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this bullish move we made here in higher low in the weekly chart. So if we see a move into this zone, the chance that we could see a potential bullish continuation is there. So if we are coming into this zone between $1,500 and $1,750, and if we then see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great buy zone area for the long term on the technical view. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or coins like Ethereum, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So all in all guys, I think Ethereum has a great potential. I think the chance is also high that we could outperform Bitcoin, especially if the Ethereum ETF is approved from the SEC. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will one Ethereum be worth in 2025? I think the chance is high that we would see prices between $7,000 and $11,000. And with this price predictions, one Ethereum would be worth around $7,000 to $11,000. Again guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, and it's difficult to say how the price will evolve at Ethereum or Bitcoin. But if we are continuing this bullish trend and much money flows into the crypto space, then the chance is high that we could see the all-time high and explode to even higher prices. And I think these price targets are very realistic for the next bull run. And if you want to see my Polkadot price prediction for 2025, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the next bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.